In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return and refund in Sam's Club 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the official policy, how to check what's eligible, and where to get help if something isn't clear. Start by heading to samsclub.com. Once the homepage loads, don't click around yet. Simply scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. The footer is where Sam's Club keeps links to important policies and member resources, so it's the fastest path to the information you need. In the footer, look for the shipping and delivery section. Within that area, you'll find a link labeled Returns and Refunds. Click that to open Sam's Club's official returns page. This is the source of truth for what they accept, how they accept it, and any timing or documentation you might need. On the returns page, start by reading the section titled, "Here's what you can return." This gives you a high-level view of eligible items and common conditions. As you read, keep in mind a few practical tips. It's always helpful to keep your order number, membership information, and original packaging handy and to hang on to receipts or digital confirmations. Even if not explicitly required for every item, having those details ready makes processing smoother. Next, take a careful look at the limitations and exceptions. Certain categories may have special rules like shorter windows, condition requirements, or different handling steps. The page will point you to check the item's product description for specifics. That's important because policies can vary by item type, and the product page often spells out what applies to that exact item. If you're unsure, compare the policy page with the product page for clarity before you start a return. Then, review the section that explains the 3 easy ways to return items. This area outlines your options and what each one requires, such as returning an item to a club location or initiating a return online. It also helps you decide which route is fastest based on where you purchased the item and its size or category. After that, scroll to the frequently asked questions. This is a great place to confirm how long refunds take, whether funds go back to your original payment method, and what happens with shipping charges in different scenarios. Processing times can vary by bank, so a short wait is normal. If anything's still unclear, use the Chat with Us link on the same page. A support agent can walk you through your specific situation. Have your order details ready to save time. And that's it. Simple, clear, and official. Follow these steps, and you'll handle returns and refunds at Sam's Club with confidence.